Happy Valentine's Day.
I open it so badly and burn it out.
Ian, wait. Look what came in.
What?
Look what also came in. It's about time. I've been waiting forever for these. Alright, unboxing soon. So what should do on Valentine's Day? Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Wow!
We gotta find the spacer.
You know, this is what I get for like always opening stuff in front of him. Now he wants to open my packages.
I don't know where to start cutting.
I'm gonna open it. Okay, look at this.
Kind of rude.
Oh, that one's it. Oh, this chair is dirty.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No. No.
Oh my god, look at it. I'm
No.
so excited. Wow. Unboxing later. Hi. Unbox my Forever 21 order with me before Brandon gets home. Let's start. My Disney throw blanket. Okay, the reason for this order was everything was like pretty cheap. Everything was on sale on the website, and so there were things that I left Vegas without. I left Vegas without a bunch of stuff that I wanted to get, and I found some of them online. Plus, finding so much more. So that was one of them. Actually, I didn't see that in the store, but I saw them and I was like, oh my god! These are so much smaller than I thought. They're so tiny. Tell me why online it looks so much bigger. My face isn't even this small. It's for babies. I mean, boop, boop, boop. I guess. It's Hello Kitty, so cute. It's gorgeous. Look. Look. My obsession with jackets has to stop. I love jackets so much. This is one that I left Vegas without, that I saw in store, and I really wanted it. But because I was worried about taking everything back home and it not being able to fit or it being overweight, I left it. So when it was still available online, you just believe I got it. Look, it's so pretty. Should I use this as my Valentine's outfit, or should I just stay in my pajamas? I don't know yet. A light blue mint Hello Kitty quilted bag. Obsessed. forgot I ordered something juicy. I think this is like the little pajama combo or something. There's more juicy stuff that came out that I also want to get. Oh my god. I hope it's cute when I put it on. So cute. Another thing I wanted to leave with, but left behind. Here it is. I'm so happy I got a zip up. This one has this little hood. Maybe I should have got a bigger size. Dang it, I know I should have gotten it bigger. Yay! This facial massager. People use this for like gua sha. Is that what it's called? Gua sha? Let's see if it actually works. This is in collaboration with Hello Kitty. You know, and then these, I've been on a press on grind, so I had to have some Hello Kitty ones. Like, shout out to Forever 21 for having a sale, because I wouldn't have ever bought any of this with the sale. I know that for a fact. Ew, why is it looking wet? Get it right in there. There's the ocean water splashing a bit. There we go. Outside of its packaging. Love. You know, I'm pretty sure I did add all of these to cart, but I don't exactly know what I actually checked out with, because I just remember adding so much to the cart and then taking so much out of the cart as well. Look at this, for example. Let's open this. I feel like I forgot if I kept it in, because I thought I took this out. Oh my god, does this actually get wet because it's wet? Oh, okay. Okay, yes. I remember this. I did keep this one. Just like, look at the back. The front is cute. But look at the back. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. There's another shirt that was like colored like that, and I thought that was the one, but that turned out to be the one that I actually took out of my car. And then I have this one. Wow, this is thicker than I thought it would be. This one also has like a little, they're wintry friends. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. I thought it was gonna be like a thinner material, but it's actually kind of, that's nice. Okay. You best believe I had to get this because of the color. Oh my god. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It also comes with this. Look at the buttons. Look at the buttons. Ah, yes. That's a cute touch. The back. Long sleeve. I love winter clothes. Any fall winter clothes, I love. I'm living in the wrong place, seriously. I need to move away from Hawaii. I love Hawaii, but it's so hot all the time. Ooh, I forgot I wanted this. Is it gonna fit me? Oh my god, I forgot I ordered this. That is so cute. I hope it fits me. I hope it looks cute. I still have so much to go through. It's not even funny. Okay. this was in between some clothes. And this is like the kind of size I thought this one was gonna be. But this is so small, look at it. I thought it was gonna be like this. Now that's what I'm talking about, yes. Okay, I'm gonna do a rapid fire because I feel like I'm running out of time, and I am. Okay, so this is like a little set. That's the bottom. Nothing on the back. Cute. And then the shirt. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have a million of these. Again, thicker material than I thought. No complaints there. That's pretty good. I believe these are like pajamas. So I'll put that next to my juicy one. Here's another racing Hello Kitty shirt. But this one is my Melody. I have a black Hello Kitty one from Walmart, but that one is gigantic, so I literally use it for home. Look at this one, it's so cute. Oh my god, I love the sleeves. The sleeves, oh my goodness. The back. Ah, I love, okay. What's this? Oh. Oh, it's that material. Okay. Okay, wow. This material is crazy. I wasn't expecting this. I thought it was gonna be like my other, like black and purple crop tops. But it feels a little different. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see what this is. Nylon. Whoa. Okay. I mean, I'm still down to try it out. It's like similar to ones that I already have. Ooh, I have to get rid of this crease right here. Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll see how this works. I'm excited. The pajamas I left behind. I get it in kid size. I got it in kid size. Anything to save a few bucks, you know? Okay, I mean, it looks pretty good. So this is the bottom. Maybe the top. I wish I could have had matching ones with these, but then I would literally have to wait years for her to fit it because their smallest sizes are 5 and 6. Cute. Oh, still so much more, I'm telling you. Okay, these are the last 5. Okay, that little package, I just ordered another one of these home shorts because I love it so much. I wanted another one in black. So now I have 2 in black. But the one that I already have and have been using for a couple years now, it's kind of fading. So a fresh black one. Yay! These are matching pants to the black zip-up hoodie that I have, which I also left behind. Oh goodness, I was overheating. That's great. Ta-da! The hearts in the middle, the little flare bottoms, and then in the back it says Hello Kitty. Little hearts at the bottom, on the side, and then so cute. This one has the bow as well. So this one is the matching for this black hoodie. This one I think is matching for the purple sweater top cardigan looking one. This one's a different material. Tell me why these remind me of snow pants. Again, I thought it was going to be a thinner material. Also Hello Kitty, as you can see. And I just wanted to have a little matching moment, you know? And this at the end, the bottom, sorry. That little detail right there. Plain in the back. Love the color. Oh my gosh. I love it. Matching pants to the red sweater cardigan that I opened. The little details on the sides. And then Hello Kitty on some of them. Actually, she's on all of them. I also left this behind in Vegas. So as you can see, an order was bound to be made because there were so many things that I left with that I wanted. Okay, this is the very last item. I know these are like mostly winter clothes, but this is stuff that I actually needed when we're in the cold, especially like near snow, in snow, by snow, snowing areas. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh, so much better than the puffer jacket that I already have. The other puffer jacket I didn't bring because it's very, very big. And like, I don't look good in it. So I wanted one that I could possibly look better in. Look at the hood! Look at the hood, oh my gosh! Anyway, that's it for this section. Yay, Marvel Toy unboxing done! And I'm honestly kind of scared to open these. But excited! Ah! Okay. Okay, it's finally here. Waiting forever.
Grab one.
Yay! Okay, let's go. Okay, wait, go into the box. I almost forgot.
I don't know.
Oh, this one's hard to open.
I never left mine yet.
God, why is this so hard? Look! How come mine didn't open like that?
How about this
Okay. Ooh.
Who's this again?
Okay, this one is lychee berry. What do people say lychee? Isn't it lychee? Lychee berry. Lychee berry. Lychee berry. Oh my god! Oh my god! They're so soft.
This one is
They're so soft. Why are the ears so close together?
sesame bean.
Sesame bean. Yay! Where's the card? Oh, the card is different. Look! Ta-da! Okay. Alright then, we went for the middle. We went for the middle. Yay, you ripped the whole thing! Oops. Did you see the color?
Nope.
Oh, the bags are so hard to open for. Oh! Green grape! We got green grape.
And I got.
You got toffee.
Yeah.
Ta-da! Oh my god, they're so soft. They're softer than have a seat. Dude, his arm is like glued. Look at how Green Grape's arm is glued.
Glued.
I don't think they're supposed to be like stitching, like showing. Look, his arm got glued like this.
See?
Wait, let me look at Lychee Berry. Oh, Lychee Berry's just hand too. Look at her arm!
I think that's how it is.
No!
All of them are straight.
That one is straight. Oh my god, that
Yeah.
mass production thing is true. That's kind of crazy. Isla's here trying to like Swiffer her way. It's kind of funny. Alright, here's Green Grape's card. And they smell mass produced. Chemically, if you will. Okay, last one. Ready? It is so hard to open, seriously. Is this arm gonna be glued like weird too, or what? Oh, huh? Don't we already have this? Oh wait, never mind. Oh my god, we got sea salt coconut! I thought this was gray again. Yay! And soy milk. No secrets this time. No secrets this time. Man. Ta-da. I thought you were gray. Oh my god, your arms are weird!
Short look.
Right? I know. What in the lafufu is this?
It's not extra short.
Is it really?
I don't know if you can expand it.
Oh. I'm cracking up because a lot of people's labubus, especially like the macarons, have been like coming in all wonky. But I mean, these are all from Pop Mart, so like, it's kind of funny. They can't keep up with demand. These are very high in demand. Very soft. Some of them, their stuff was like glued on all wonky. Why is this arm furrier than this one? Okay, anyway, look at your little belly. Okay, this is great. No secrets this time. That's fine. We got a secret in the last one, so yay! We're here unboxing a bunch of things anyway, right? Especially like blind bags. So let's do it as soon as Ian comes out, because yeah, hopefully he's not asleep yet. Yeah, I bought gift wrap. And look, thank you to Veronica and Lori. Thank you. So pretty. Loves. Where is he? Never mind, I'm doing this on my own. He'll open this tomorrow, I guess. These are the options you could get. Hopefully any of the Naruto ones, because I didn't finish watching Bleach and I haven't watched Demon Slayer. Ooh. Let's get the nine-tailed fox or Akamaru. I mean, any of the Naruto ones would be super cute. Anyway, let's just open this. Collect them all. This is a new one I haven't seen around yet. I actually wanted to get more munchlings, but you didn't have any today. Let's see which one of these we get. I don't think there's a way to tell, like, by feeling what you're gonna get, because they all kind of felt the same. Well, I felt two different ones, and they both felt the same. Ooh, I see purple. Is this Kuromi? I hope so. It is! I can see her through the bubble wrap. Oh my god! Okay, I'm so happy I picked this one. Yay! So while Brian was like looking at all his fishing stuff, he wants to get back into fishing. While he was looking at all of that, I took Isla to the toys, and she wanted to hold a bunch of stuff. Hence why we ended up with this. She threw the one that she was holding, but Ian took interest into it, so I took him to get another one since she lost the other one in the store. So yeah, Ian got that for him, and then I have Isla hold on to this one. Oh my gosh, can you open this? Yeah, there's no way to feel like what's inside, because they all feel like this. I had to ask Brandon for help. But look! It's so pretty! I love it! Oh my gosh, I love. You can see her face, and then Chromie in there. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Hello Kitty and friends. Tsunamis. Tsunamis is what they're called. 10 out of 10 blind bag. I love. They're so much cuter than I thought it would be. And I thought it was going to be like smaller. But look. I love it. Well, that was a lot today. Okay, well, hope everybody had a great Valentine's Day. We did so much today. And, okay, Isla. Wow. I'm exhausted. It is past midnight. So it is now February 15th, actually. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Yay!
What the?
Oh my god.
What the?
Oh my god. Look, he only took off these, this part so far, the top layer.
Ow!
Dude! Wow, look at the big ball. Oh my god! I think we got the one that I wanted! I saw the colors. Okay, go.
Oh, what the?
It's not the fox.
What
it's
the
the
heck?
toad! Oh my god, look at it! He's so cute! What's his name? Kamikichi or something? I forget his name. Naruto. Why did you call me here? Just kidding. He's so cute! Is it mine? I look like it's mine. Okay, bye. This is mine now. Oh.
Mine.
Here, baby, you can have this. Here, look, there. Ball, go! Let's go!
Mom, look. She farted.
No, that was you.
No, she actually farted. She actually farted.
Okay, say bye-bye. Hello, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Like kiss. Ma.
Ma.
Hello? Okay, goodbye.